we're going to be making the most classic bourbon cocktail known to man, the Mint Julep. Became the official cocktail of the Kentucky Derby in 1938. You're only going to need 3 things: bourbon, simple syrup, and mint. We're going to take 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Going to take some mint leaves. You do not want the stems. They can make the drink a little too bitter. Then you'll muddle. You don't want to completely pulverize the mint. You just want to release some mint oils into that syrup. Then we'll take 2 ounces of bourbon whiskey. And now, arguably the most important component, crushed ice. I like to just put a bunch of ice in a burlap sack to crush ice today, in the good old-fashioned way. Another really important thing about this drink is that it's served in a tin cup to keep the drink cool. This crushed ice is going to create a frost around this cup, and then we're going to stack this ice nice and high to keep the drink insulated. Then we'll take a mint sprig, smack it to release mint oils, pop it in there, frosty and delicious. If you think of the Mint Julep as a bourbon snow cone, an obvious place to go from there for a variation is a bourbon shake. Instead of using mint in the drink, since you kind of chew and drink a shake, we are going to use crème de menthe, which is a mint liqueur. So we'll do 3/4 of an ounce crème de menthe. It is going to be a milkshake, so you don't want it to be too boozy. So we'll just do an ounce of bourbon. Then we'll add some vanilla ice cream to play with the natural flavors of that whiskey barrel. Now we'll mix it up. We're going to use a stand mixer here, but at home you certainly can use a spoon. After you get that all mixed up, you should have a really nice creamy texture. You just put it in a nice tall milkshake glass. Then we're going to top it with whipped cream. And finally, add a mint sprig, just to remind us what we're drinking. Bourbon snow cone or bourbon milkshake?